Good day, guys. How are you doing? I hope that you are doing fine. Today, let's start doing something really interesting on PySpark. We are going to use the regex replace, which is a command from SQL. We are going to apply it here on PySpark DataFrame. So let's go. Here we have, I guess everybody here is very familiar with how to set up the PySpark on Google Colab. Here, I already did some installation. You can just look it for that on the internet. It's really easy to find. So here, I just installed the PySpark, and then I'm going to import the PySpark and do all the necessary stuff to import the PySpark here inside the Google Colab. So here, what we have, I'm going to create a data frame. In order to do it really quickly, I already have some information. I'm going to create this data frame is what we have in the data frame. We have three entry, which is correspondent to three addresses of three states. I guess is I really don't know the state of the United States, so I'm not going to. I guess this is New York, this is California, and the D. I don't know what it is. So I have free entry. I have just a data frame with free entry. So what we are going to do here is like, you can see here in the column address, I have free entry, but I don't have the full address. What I have is this number, Jeffrey, and RD. I don't know what RD means. RD means road, but maybe someone who is not really familiar with the United States can misspell itself or cannot get the right information. So what we are going to do here, I'm going to change the RD, the ST, and the AV with the full name, so we can get the right information inside the column address. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to import the command. I'm going to add the package regex replace from PySpark SQL function. And then what I'm going to do, just in this case, I'm going to create a new column. I'm going to call this new column address. And then in this new column, I will apply the regex replace. And then it's not in this new column. I'm going to create a new column. And in this new column, what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the regex replace inside the column address. And inside the column address, I'm going to look for the RD, which in this case, I'm just looking for RD. Unfortunately, the regex replace, you cannot do, you can just change one word at a time. You cannot change a couple of words. You can just change one word at a time. So here I'm going to search for RD and change it, this RD with the words. So I'm going to show you what we have here. So after that, what we have that in the first entry, instead of having Jeffrey RD, I have Jeffrey Hold, which is what we are going to, which is the full address, the interesting address that we want to show to, for example, to the customer or to someone who is interested in this data frame. We can do the same thing in the second entry, in the third entry, to get the street here and the avenue. So what I showed you. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. I hope that you guys will like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this information. Thank you.